Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Cleanse with a gentle face wash and pat skin so it's slightly damp for better absorption. Once done, dispense 2-3 drops of vitamin C serum onto your fingertips. This small amount covers the whole face. You'll apply using light upward strokes and press gently into cheeks, forehead, and chin. Make sure to avoid the eye area and any open wounds. This immediate action helps the antioxidant penetrate while keeping irritation risk low, so move confidently and steadily. Once the serum is on, let it absorb for about 60 to 90 seconds so it forms a stable film. You'll feel the skin's surface settle. Next, apply a lightweight moisturizer to lock in hydration and prevent dryness. The moisturizer acts as a barrier and improves tolerance. If you use other active ingredients like retinol or strong acids, make sure to alternate times of day or alternate nights, because combining can increase irritation. You're optimizing results by managing timing. Finish with sunscreen each morning. Apply broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher after moisturizer to protect sensitized skin. If you experience stinging, redness, or persistent irritation, stop using the serum and switch to a lower concentration or apply every other day until tolerance improves. Make sure to store the serum in a cool, dark place and check the product color. If it turns dark amber or brown, it may be oxidized and less effective. This one troubleshooting step keeps you safe and maintains results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.